holidays. I'm so excited that you're here and wanting to learn Christmas Without You by Ava Max. Couple of things. When I say step right, use your right hand. You step right, use your right hand. I'm your mirror, so it should work out perfectly if you just do as I'm demonstrating. And then also, when you're finished and you've learned it, go ahead and post it to social media and tag me at Kelly.essentially. I would love to see your version. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with our feet together, and we're going to step on our right foot first. Our arms are just going to swing back and forth like this. So this part is going to go with the music. You're going to step first with the right foot, cross behind with the left, step with the right, and then step together. But it kind of is syncopated with the music, so it's right, hold, left, right, together. Let's try that again. So right, hold, left, right, together. So the left, right is quicker. Then same thing in the other direction. Left, hold, right, left, together. So let's just do that a couple of times. Right, hold, left, right, together. Left, hold, left, left, together. Right, hold, left, right, together. Left, hold, right, left. One more time. Right, hold, left, right, together. Left, hold, right, left, together. And again, you're just swinging your arms. So it's just 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So it's basically, if you know what a grapevine is, step, cross behind, step, together. It's the exact same thing. You're just adding a little bit of syncopation to it, a little bit of rhythm, so that you're holding that first beat and then finishing the grapevine. Step, hold, grapevine together. Okay? It's just a grapevine. All right, so we just did our right hold, right, left together, left hold, right, left together. From here, you're going to step with the right foot and bring your left to your right, step with your left foot and bring your right to your left. And when you do that, all you're going to do is kind of scoop with your left arm first. So scoop together, your arms kind of end up in a low V. Scoop together. So scoop together, you're just turning your body, scoop together. Left arm first, and then the right arm. Left, right. All right, let's try that from the top. So you have 1, 2, and 3. It's just a grapevine. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Scoop, out, scoop, out. You just ended here. The next part, you're just going to step forward to the right diagonal first. So right diagonal, step forward to the left diagonal, step back with the right foot, and then the left foot is going to go ball change. So it's a quick left, right. So left, right. So let's try that again. You have right diagonal, left diagonal, right back, left ball change. Left, right. One more time. Right diagonal, right back, ball change. And as you're doing that, so you're here, your hands just kind of follow. So right hand is kind of up like you're holding a tray. Right hand, left hand, and then on back with the right foot, you're going to do kind of like the arm chug again. Back, ball change. So right arm, left arm, back, ball change. Do that again. Right arm, left arm, back, ball change. Let's try that from the top. So you have your grapevine first. Remember, it's just a funky rhythm. But you have and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step together, right, left, right, ball change. Let's try it one more time. So start with your grapevine. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step together, right, left, right, ball change. Okay, so you just did ball change. You're going to take that left foot and point it forward and put your right hand over your heart. Step together. Take the right foot, point it forward, and put your left hand over your heart. From here, step together. You're going to cross your left foot over and do a jazz square. So you have cross left, step back right, put your feet apart. So let's just do the footwork. So you just did ball change. So you're going to point left, together, right, together, cross, left, back, right, feet apart. Let's try that again. Left, together, right, together, cross, left, back, feet apart. Again, so you just did ball change. You just put your hand over your heart, right hand first, while your left foot is pointed. And then you put the other hand up together. And then when you cross, you're just going to be like, no way. So cross, step back. And then when you step out to the side, you go, no. So this is without you. All right, so you just did ball change. Left foot points forward, right hand over heart, together. Right foot, together. Cross and throw it, back and no. So left foot, right foot, cross, bam, back and no. Do it again. Left foot, right foot, cross, 1, 2, and no. From the top, you have your grapevine first. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step together, step together. Right, left, right, ball. Change, point left, point right. Jazz square, back and no. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Scoop together, step, step, back, ball change, point left, point right, jazz square, cross back, side, and out. From here, I'm going to give you 2 possible endings. The first is easier, the second's a little bit harder. So the first one, you're just going to go step together, and it's like a little bounce. Step together, step together. Just a little lilt. And as you do that, pull the arm in. Pull the right in, pull the left in. Pull the right in, pull the left in. If you want the harder version, you're going to do this instead. So you're here, you're going to kick the right foot forward, and then you're going to cross it over, and then ball change left, right. So kick, cross, ball change, kick, cross, ball change, kick, cross, ball change, kick, cross, ball change. But it's faster, and it's a little bit of like, it has a little bounce to it as well. So let me show you what it looks like, and then we'll try to break it down. So this is what it would look like if you did it up to speed, and then we're going to break it down after this. So you just did without. So it's a little bit faster, right? Without, and kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and kick, ball change. So you're going to kick first on the and, without, and you. Okay? So without, before the beat happens, so on the and before the beat you kick. Without, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So without, when you kick, you're just going to take your arms out, and then the left hand's going to come forward, out, and then the right hand. Out, left hand, out, right hand. And it's really casual, so just kind of relax, let loose, and have fun with it. All right? So let's try that up to speed with the arms. So without, and you, and you. And if you can travel while you're doing it, that's even better. And that's the whole dance. So if you're going to do the easier version, you're just going to go step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. At the end, if you're going to do the harder version, you're going to kick. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right? Let's try from the top. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Scoop together, right, left, right, ball change, touch left, touch right, jazz square, cross, back, and side, either step and touch, or kick, ball change, and kick, ball change. Either one. You're going to do 4 of whatever you decide. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step together, step together. Right, left, back, ball change, point left, point right, jazz square, cross, back, and out. Either step, touch, or kick, ball change, and kick, ball change. Thank you so much for being here and learning my dance. I can't wait to see you do it on social media. Have a great day. Thanks so much.